Welcome back. With me right now from the Golden Girls Dance Troupe is Anna Shu, and we were just talking that she gets involved with so many different things in this community, but this is a big one that's coming up on June 29th. And welcome, good to see you again.
Thank you. Yeah,
always
good to see
have
you
you here.
Yeah, thank you.
And this is something you folks have been working on for quite a while. It's your one of your two big performances. I think you usually do one around the holidays, right?
Right.
Yeah,
so,
but this one is a big one, right?
Yeah, we have two performances on June 29th at 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock, because some seniors prefer to come out during the day instead of in the darkness. So that's why we did.
Yeah. And so tell me about this. We got some video we're going to roll up. But this is a series of really many, many different things, different kinds of dances and presentations, traditional stuff, and some non-traditional as well, right?
Right. So yeah, as we talk through, then you will see that we really strive for bringing the variety of the shows. And first, we are going to start with a drum dance, which is quite exciting. And of course, that is a thing that we have done. We were invited to do at Oscar night this year, which is February 24th.
And you do this, right?
I was part. We did. And we are going to do this dance as well in this show. And we start with this show. And the name of the dance is Awakening the Spring. And it's just because the sound of the drum is very thundery, and awakes people, awakes the spring, awakes the earth from the winter. So it's very exciting, and the audience will immediately get started, in the mood.
So, now, we're looking at some of this stuff here. Yeah, I like this one because show everyone what you have on your hand. Yeah,
so this is the 1,000-hand Buddha, and the Buddha is a female, a Guanyin Buddha, and that has 1,000 hands and 1,000 eyes, just like this. And each hand has a palm. Has an eye on the palm.
Okay.
So Buddha has, Guanyin Buddha has 1,000 hands and 1,000 eyes. With 1,000 eyes, she watches all over the world. And with 1,000 hands, and she protects us, helps us, and help all the beings on the earth.
Wow.
Yeah. So 1,000 in Chinese has a meaning of infinity, completeness, thoroughness.
Okay.
And with 1,000 eyes, she watches us. And with 1,000 hands, she protects us and bring us the good fortune and, a prosperous business.
Yeah, I've heard, you mentioned 1,000. You hear that a lot. And
so
isn't there like the 1,000-year-old egg and things like that? It's not really 1,000 years
in this
old,
case, in this case, 1,000. Chinese has a lot of metaphors.
Yeah,
sometimes number 3 or multiples of 3 will means infinity or multiple, a lot. So abundance. So 1,000 really means infinity, completeness, and thoroughness.
Now, as far as the performances here, we have this guy. This is the part that's not traditional.
This is not traditional, and she is his name is Ranjay, and she is a tribute artist to Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
And actually, this video, I specifically selected from from YouTube to show people that he's a very, very good impersonator.
Does he live in this area?
He lives in LA area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we met him actually in the Oscar night this last February, and he looks so real, and it almost feels like scary, because when he stands by you, and is this a dead person? Because he looks so real, and with his dance, it's so impressive. As well. So
I'm looking at all the folks here. How many people are in this show? I mean, it just seems Like you have several dozen.
Well,
It seems that
indeed,
way, but-
indeed, yeah. So with the Golden Girls Dance Troupe, we have about 15,
Okay.
around 15 dancers, and but the families of the dancers also jump in to help.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
and
right.
it really involves a lot of people.
This
At the
one
same time,
here, it looks spectacular.
yeah, well, I have to tell that this is the banana raindrops on the banana leaves dance, and you see the green
Yes.
umbrella. That actually means the banana leaves, symbolize the banana leaves.
Okay.
And I have to say that we are doing this dance the first time, so I have to show to the audience how the dance looks like from a YouTube or something like that.
Right. That's, it's spectacular.
It is beautiful
Yeah.
dance, and we have practiced hours and hours for that dance.
Now, where do you practice? Because you need a lot of room for that. Are you doing it at the Performing Arts Center when you have a chance on the stage?
Yes,
Okay.
there is a rehearsal room
Right.
that is sized just like the stage, and we practice 6 hours each
Wow.
week. And Amy Ren, our coach, is very strict about the dance moves.
Yeah.
And not only you have to do it right, but also you have to do it beautifully, because you know, we want to treat our audience and bring the enjoyment to them. That's the
and it
that's
looks
the,
absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, yes.
Now, as you said, there's going to be 2 performances, and this is on June 29th.
Yes.
And either at 2 o'clock or at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
And the performances are about 2 hours long in the Performing
2
Arts
hours
Center.
out. Yeah.
And they can buy
2 hours
tickets
long.
there.
Yes. Right
Okay.
now the tickets are available. And it's worth to mention another dance is called Red Lantern Dance. And the Red Lantern is a Chinese art craft
Okay.
that we often light up during the Chinese New Year celebration. And the lunar Chinese New Year calendar, January the 15th, is the Lantern Festival.
Right.
On the day, we eat a specialty Chinese food. That's a dessert. It's a small ball and with a sweet fillings.
Okay.
And it can be a variety of fillings. And so that symbolizes the reunion of the family and brings the good fortune and prosperous business for the year. So, and that festival actually pushes the celebration of the Chinese New Year to a high.
Okay.
And yeah, so that is, and the Red Lantern is often, people light up and hang on their home for celebration.
Yeah.
And this dance actually presents a picture of the Chinese young girls having fun with the Red Lantern during the night, and very playful and enjoyable.
All right, this is going to be an excellent performance. So again, this is June 29th, and that's either at 2 o'clock or at 7 o'clock, and that is, am I right, is that Saturday? It is a Saturday, right?
Saturday or Sunday? Saturday, yeah.
I'm trying to think
yeah.
ahead in my calendar. What's that?
Saturday.
All right, thanks. But definitely enjoy this. You know, this has been, you've done this before in the past. You didn't have the Michael Jackson guy in some of these other performances.
We brought him over.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, the particular
But you haven't
video,
had him before, right?
We haven't had him
that's
before.
First time
that's
to see
what
this.
you meant. Yeah.
All
And
right.
you know what? The YouTube video I showed here had 8.2 million views.
Wow.
And he has dazzled audience in Southern California and in Las Vegas.
Well, check this out.
So that's a lot of fun.
Again, it's coming up Saturday, June 29th. Tickets are available at the Performing Arts Center. Anna, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Good to see you.
It's fun.
We'll be back.